Alright, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be talking about some tricks in SketchUp model software. So in this video clip, I will be talking about some clips that you might not know how to do, but after this class, after watching this video, you will learn something new in using SketchUp modeling software. So let's start. I would like to show you the difference between making a group and making a component in SketchUp modeling software. So it is always good for once you are making a multiple copies of the particular object you want to make, it is always good to make a component of it. Reason is this: if you make a component of a particular object you create in a SketchUp software, and you made a copy of them, let's say you made a 20 copy of them, and you later want to make a change or make a redesign in it, you just open any of them, make a redesign in any of them, it will affect all. But if you make a group of that object you created, if there is need for corrections or redesign, you are going to do it one after the other. So it is always very good when creating object, you should do it as create material component. So that is, I will show you what I mean. So let's start. Let me try and create something. Let's just try and create an object. Okay. So this is the object I just created now. How do we do it? You highlight everything of the object you created, then on it you right click, then you are seeing make component, make group. So instead of using the second one, please, once you are creating an object, always make use of component. Then the name you want to use, you type in there and click create. Then this is your what? This is your object. You understand? So you can make a copy of it by holding your control key as usual. Copy this one too. So even if I want to make a change in any of these, instead of coming and doing it one after the other, but because I have made it as a component, so look at, I will just double click. So any changes I want to make, let me assume that I want to make this kind of change. So as you can see, once you edit any of them, it will affect all. But the difference between making it as a group and making it as a component is, if it is group now and I have already copied out these ones, it simply means that I will do this one different, do this one different, and do this one different. So my advice is always make use of components while creating object in SketchUp tutorial. Another trick I would also like to show you is how to make a multiple copy of an object or material in SketchUp modeling software in any direction. Let me delete this two first. If I want to copy this, I will first of all click the object I want to copy. You know the normal mode of copying. Click on move, then you press your control key once, the mouse will bring out plus sign. Then you move it. If you are going this direction, then at what distance, let's say at 600, enter. Sorry, 600 is very okay. At 15,000. So, and you want to make a copy of this object, let's say in 20, 40 multiples, depending on how many copies you want to make. the easiest, instead of doing it gradual, no, once you make the first copy and the object will use the same dimension interval to make the other copies, make the first copy. After dropping the object, then the next thing to do is to, how many copies do you want to make? I want to make 6 copies of it. So 6 plus 1, which is 7. Always add 1 to the numbers of copies you want to make. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Then you press that number X. So I will press 7X and press enter. That is it. You have made a multiple copies of an object in SketchUp modeling software. So even if you want to make even if you want to make a copy in a circular direction, you can still use the same approach. Then for X, as you can see, it is going that direction. So that is just by the way. So with this now, I believe you have learned something new, something creative, and something that will make your modeling easy in SketchUp modeling software. In the next video clip, I will talk more on many tricks that is in SketchUp modeling software. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't also forget to comment. Don't also forget to like, share to your colleagues. Thank you. Don't forget, this is Jotech channel.